Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum, and I'm very excited today to announce that my most recent book, Small Arms of World War II, Soviet Union, has arrived at Headstamp Publishing's warehouse and is shipping now. So we're currently shipping pre-orders, and as soon as we finish up with those, we're going to start shipping brand new orders. So if you wanted a copy, now is an excellent chance. But if you're not familiar with this book, the idea was we're going to do actually it'll probably end up being a 7-part series on the small arms of World War II, country by country. And the idea is to provide enough information to tell you really the story of each particular gun that was used in the war without getting into the nitty-gritty that perhaps you would want if you're a detailed, focused collector of a particular firearm. If you're just interested in the war and you want to know what firearms were used in the war, or you hear about one or two or a bunch and you want to see more about them, this is the book series for you. So we have chapters covering everything from pistols up to, well, in this case, up to the Maxim machine gun and the PTRS and PTRD 14.5mm anti-tank rifles. Pistols, rifles, submachine guns, light machine guns, heavy machine guns, anti-tank rifles. Sniper rifles have their own specific discrete chapter in the Soviet Union book because the Soviet Union actually had quite a number of sniper rifles. They had a more developed and larger sniper program than anyone else in the Second World War. So we give that more coverage than we did in, for example, the US book. This is, of course, our second book in the series. The first one was US. Second one is USSR, and we're going to keep doing these. I'm not sure exactly which the next one will be, but we'll get to that later on. The photography here is all by James Rupley, who also does the Vickers Guide series. He is an amazing firearms photographer, and the picture quality in this is unparalleled. So what you're getting is the best possible photographs of the best examples of these guns that we can find around the world, coupled with a story that tells you where did the gun come from, what was its relevance in the war, and any other relevant issues. How many were produced? Was it good? Was it bad? That sort of thing. Very excited to have these. So we have the standard book here. We also have it offered with a clamshell case for those of you who want something a bit fancier, and we also have signed versions available. For what it's worth, if you did get a copy of our US edition, we are also offering a clamshell case for the US edition as well, and that's on Headstamp's website at the moment. Anyway, unfortunately, these came in just too late to get them shipped out in time for Christmas, but they are shipping now, so go ahead and place an order if you're interested, and we'll get it to you pronto. Thanks for watching.